Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram chat not loading. So most of the time it happens because of your internet connection. So first of all, just uh, click on airplane mode, wait for 2 or 3 seconds and again turn off it and wait for your internet connection. Okay, and when it's connected, just go for your chat and refresh it, and most of the time it just fix your the problem. Then if it not still fixed, then just go back and go to your Play Store and go for your Instagram or search your Instagram and update it if it's available here. And after that, go for your settings, apps and notification, go for your Instagram, and in this storage and cache you need to clear your all cache and clear your all data from here. And after that you can load your all messages with these three steps, and you can fix your problem for these steps. So that's it. This is how you can fix Instagram chat not loading. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.